So the requirement here is we have to remove all the duplicate name. The name should be unique irrespective of other columns, address, city or salary. Other column we are not considering, we are considering only this name column. In this name column all names should be unique. So how we can delete all those duplicate name? If the name is occur more than one time, so we have to remove that. So what I can do, select, we can achieve this with the help of window function. So row number over and partition by name, order by, I can say, salary, we can use order by name or salary, anyone, as row number from employee. Select all the record now. So because it's a grouping by name, so in the group of David, how many record? 2 David are exist. So it's providing the row number 1 and 2. In group of Krishna, 7 record are exist. So it's providing the row number from 1 to 7. In the group of Love, only 1 record is exist. In the group of Ranaji, only 1 record is exist. In the group of Tim, only 1 record is exist. So if I conclude, the record which having the row number as 1, they are unique, and the record which having the row number greater than 1, they are duplicate. If you could see here, the 1 is unique David and the 2 is duplicate. The same is applicable for Krishna. 1 is unique and all the record which having the row number greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all those are duplicate. And so same is applicable for Love, Ranaji and Tim. For them the row number is 1, so they are unique. So how we can delete all these record? So we can delete it with the help of CTE. With CTE as delete from CTE, where CTE dot row number is greater than 1. So in one go we can delete it. So total number of record is 12, and the number of record is having the row number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 records are unique and rest of them are duplicate. So just execute this query and let's see, 7 record are deleted. And now if I select again and see, now we have only the unique record which having the unique name.